Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama and I am smiling ear to ear. What a beautiful, glorious day to be out here taking a video. It's nice and quiet on a Saturday and I'm here to tell you I've got 18 customer creations coming offline this month. So let's jump right into it. These are my dear friends, Tom and Margaret. This is going to be a vacation home. It is one of our smallest sectional homes, a 24 by 36, and we call this home the Shafer. We've done a lot of customizations to this and I'm gonna try to hit every one of them. Here's my dilemma here. Here's one half and all the way down there is the other. See it? Okay, we're gonna get it done though. All right, here's the A half. See the A right there? The A is typically the living room side. There are a few floor plans where you're gonna find the living room on the back side, but most typically you'll find it in the front. So one of the customizations, we did an upgraded color here. This is a Wedgwood blue, very beautiful. We also added shutters all the way around in a wine color. And you can notice you guys are gonna have to power wash your homes when it gets to your property because we're on Indiana clay. We've got dust everywhere here. So make sure you remember to do that. We've added a couple of extra electrical outlets. You can see one here, one down there by a patio door. Come on camera. And then one all the way at the end, we added another one. They're gonna do an interesting thing to their project. This is a slider door coming off of the primary bedroom. And you can see here that we've added a dormer, a 20-foot dormer to be exact. Let me check my paperwork. Yes, a 20-foot dormer, and we wanted to do that 2 feet from the end wall. Now Tom is a very calculated guy. He's going to do a patio room coming off the front there, so we needed to make sure that it wasn't centered over the front door. That's how it usually is, but they're doing some interesting things and I love it. Great idea. And this is what we do here at Champion Homes. We're going to create your customer creation for your lifestyle. 9-light residential door in the front. Both of the doors that they did, they actually wanted as much light as they could get in there. So we added a 9-light, 9 different panes of glass. It looks a little crowded in this living room because you guys know when we ship the home, we're gonna put everything you need to install the home. Let me find a clear corner here. Everything you need to install the home is gonna go in the living room on this big piece of plastic. So you're gonna see your joint compound, your strips that are gonna join between the two halves, especially this customer did vinyl throughout. And then the extra siding for the ends, that's the exterior finish on the end walls, the shingles, the rest of the shutters so those don't blow off, and some other stuff, some trim and stuff. Okay, let's talk about this living room because we did some customizations here. I'm gonna pull out my order to make sure I get this right. So we added 30 by 61s in the living room end wall. That is gonna be right here. We also added 2 extra to the primary bedroom. So let's go back in here. Drywall is something that they added as well. Here's that patio door. Perfect. And then, so we added a 30 by 61 here. When I get to the other side, you'll see the other bedroom also has a 30 by 61. Top of the list though, drywall throughout. That's the first thing on the customization. Number 2, lino throughout in place of carpet. Typically in a sectional home, there are gonna be some standard carpet places and there are gonna be some linoleum places. And the way that you know what is if you're looking at a floor plan and you see here, what is gridded is standard linoleum and what is clear is standard carpet. So that's the easy way to tell that. Number 3, we can't see this, but we've got a 2x6 wall and as the stud. So behind this drywall, which is a 1/2 inch thickness, you got a 2x6 wall. We talked about the siding. Here's the patio door, the extra pair of shutters, and the 9-light doors. Next up are the dormers. Okay, there's the windows. We enlarged some window size to 46 by 61. So those were originally 30 by 61s. We enlarged those to 46 by 61s. We added another window in the bathroom. We'll see that in a minute. The cabinets as well. But here in this side, that's about all we're gonna see as far as upgrades go. So let me break this down one more time. This is the front of the home. I walked in the front door. This is called the Shafer. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 24 by 36. You're walking into a wide open living room. On the other side of that plastic is going to be the kitchen. And then turning to the left here, primary bedroom. They're going to do a patio, a screened-in porch, if I remember correctly, coming off of that patio door. And that's about it for the A half. Here we are at the back half of the home, or the B half, and they've added a 6-foot dormer over this 9 light. The 9 light was in addition to, or in place of, excuse me, a 6-panel solid door, and then a 6-foot dormer over the top. So that's a beautiful thing to add in the back. Because if I remember correctly, they're going to do some type of covering coming out here. Also, notice when you put that dormer on, it does create a little bit of a barrier in case it's raining on you. But of course, gutters, let's talk about that. Gutters are something that you guys are going to add when your home gets to the property, because they would fly off if we tried to do it. All right. On the back, looks like we added another electrical and also a water spigot back here. We've got 3 tires and axles. So we're looking at about 15,000 pounds per side. And here we go into the back. All right, coming into the back, you're going to come into the utility area, and they wanted to save some space and utilize all the space that they could in here. So we've done some interesting things. We prepped for a stackable. Notice that the dryer's at the top, and then dryer vent there, washer, shut off, washer, hookups are all, everything's right here. So they're going to do a stackable there. And then down here, they added a TV phone jack, because I believe they're going to do their internet there or something, if I remember correctly. But this is the utility room. By the way, this is a perfect hunting cabin if you're interested in that. And I've also been doing a lot of investment homes. People are buying these, putting them on a piece of land and reselling them and making plenty of bucks doing that. So here's the kitchen. Glacier quartzite on the countertops. I just love that pattern. Look how pretty. It's almost like the ocean, right? Looks so pretty. And then desert on the backsplash. That's a ceramic backsplash. We still offer that. Very popular with the glacier quartzite. We've got white hardwood cabinets, one of the upgrades they did. Also an appliance package here. We've got the microwave over the range and the dishwasher. Oh, maybe not a package because I'm not seeing an ice maker. Let me just double check this. No, we just did those individually. So microwave over the range and dishwasher added in there. There's some more stuff going on that we can't see. R38 in the roof and an R22 in the floor. So this home is energy efficient. It's going pretty far up north, so they wanted to make sure that it stayed nice and warm. Coming down this short hallway, now through this plastic, when the home is joined together, that's going to be a living room. And then you have an area here that can be used for a dining area. This home is 2-bedroom, 1 bath. So here is the 1 bath, single vanity, tub shower combination, and we added an 8x30 transom window. Hi everybody, I hope this video finds you well and you guys are excited like I am to be back out into the lot looking at new homes. All right, remember when I was at the other half, this is the other window that was added into this room, and also this one. This one's enlarged to a 46 by 61. And another thing that we did as a custom, typically on this floor plan, when you open the closet, now standard, this is how it goes. You open the closet, and right here is the water heater with a panel with a bunch of hex screws. But this customer wanted to be able to, Tom in specific, wanted to be able to access his water heater from a door on the outside. I don't think that's too much to ask for. So what we've done is we added a door and made it accessible right from the room. Make it a lot more easier and convenient if something needs done in there. Always thinking ahead. All right, so there you have it. This is a very simple yet beautiful and attractive. It's going to be a vacation spot for them up in northern Michigan, where everything is beautiful, especially in the summertime. As always, thanks for watching, everybody. We've got a big month coming up with lots of customer creations, and I hope to see you guys. Just take a visit. Come on, come and see me. take a day away. I'll put you in a real nice hotel. I'll show you how the homes are made. It's really informational and a lot of fun. You can reach me 260-383-1009. Thanks so much.